First order of the day, of the night. It's raining for the first time. We're done eating. We had scabeche, adobong pusit, and bulad nga tamarong.
Tamarong?
Ay, tamban di ay. Tamban. So, gaulan ron. Say hi, Stefan. Ngita sa abi nimo. Abs, na Stefan. So later we're gonna do the what do you call that? The frontliners dance challenge, and then Nef will be cooking or making Dalgona coffee because the last one was a failure. So let's wait and see. Done with washing dishes. Sa mani uy. Si Stefan himala gainlo sa electric fan. Huy, gaunsa ka?
Ay, wholesome na ta, Brad. Nagbatil na tayo.
Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Nagbabatil tayo ng...
Nagbabatil ng...
Dalgona, whatever.
Nef is preparing Dalgona coffee. And we have the ingredients here. Not the fundador. Here the coffee, sugar.
Smells good.
We'll check out the result in a bit. Kudos to Stefan for cleaning the
For the
electric
initiative.
fan. Murag true.
It's a Himala.
Uy, RB! Sabi ko na! Sabi ko na, RB. Mula, Brad! See you in a bit for tasting Nef's. That really looks gross. Whatever.
Uy, I'm wholesome, Brad.
Yes, you are.
He's
So,
bringing the brown sugar last time, so let's wait and see.
No, it's... Look, the results kind of looking like Dalgona already.
It's Dalgona. Are you sure about that?
what's the meaning of Dalgona anyway? Like, what's its etymology?
I don't know what's the etymology of Dalgona. Maybe it's because, you know, dragons love coffee. What?
Dragons? Anong apel dragons? Uy, Dragona.
Dragona, man.
Uy. Sige, sige. We'll be back later for the tasting. Hello VBlog, welcome to my guys. Nice kaya gabatil na snack, oh. Nya asa na to? Oh, amazing. So this is how you make Dalgona coffee. So let's wait and see in a bit. We're gonna have like 5 Formosa teacups, tea glass. Tasting time in a bit. Okay, we're gonna be drinking Dalgona coffee, so distribute.
Let's dance.
And then after this, we're gonna dance the frontliners challenge. So taste test, RV. Come on, try.
Thanks, Boo. Test RB.
Thank you, Chef Nef Talibalo, for the. So you
Mix lang yun.
just mix
Cheers.
it. Mix. Cheers for the end of COVID-19.
Happy New Year.
Aja, Merry Christmas pa, oh. Happy New Year, everyone.
Can I mix it?
What was that?
We can't sleep after this.
We need to do a lot of TikTok videos tonight because we can't sleep. Right? So,
I need to sleep early, Brad.
why?
Tapos yung pawon, Brad.
Mass live tomorrow.
Oh,
Palm Sunday.
Brad,
sure.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Good for you.
So just mix it.
Okay. Who's really good in mixing? Mixing challenge.
Baktilong.
How's the taste?
It's nice. It's a strong coffee.
Strong coffee.
Yeah.
So no. How about you? What can you say about your recipe?
It was a very good recipe made by me. Love yourself.
Congratulations, brother.
It's a weak coffee.
What's a weak coffee?
Opposite of strong.
Shit, I was thinking about weak. W-E-E-K. W-E-A-K.
Coffee of the week.
How about you? Your thoughts?
My thoughts about it is just
Just so-so.
yes. But I commend
The
Nef's-
efforts of Batil.
Nef's effort, especially when battling
Battling.
battling
When battling this crisis.
battling the coffee.
You video me for my. Let me try this. Um, the aroma is pretty good.
There's no aroma there.
There is.
There's
It
aroma.
smells coffee. The texture,
The consistency.
the consistency, so-so. There are bubbles. Should there be bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's really good. The effort in battling. Yeah,
Battling.
Say battling me.
So congratulations.
Win-win.
We're gonna be doing this weekly.
Wow, quickly.
Yeah, the battling.
I think it's going to lose some weight doing this whipping.
Yeah, it's like exercise.
Yeah. So you have to use.
So that's it, guys. That's how you make Dalgona coffee.
Dalgona, uy, Dalgona.
Dalgona coffee, it's the same. It sounds like. You look at the background, normally walang ano dyan, walang mga sinampay. Kasi di kami marunong maglaba. But these days, we're already doing our own laundry. How sad. So that's it. See you in my next vlog. Subscribe below. Char. Reg true. Say good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night. We were drinking coffee. Will we be able to sleep? Okay. Bye. Over and out. Mga besh, mga bye.
Zoom.
Why? Okay.